Welcome back. The challenge which we set ourselves is to print the multiplication table. So we would want to print a multiplication table of this kind. In this video, let's discuss how to break this problem up and where do we start. So what do we start with? That's what we would want to discover in this short video. Typically when we do programming, we have problems. Solving the problem typically needs a step-by-step approach. You identify sub-problems to solve and then go about solving them. So think about this. What would be the sub-problems that you would want to solve when you would want to print a multiplication table? How do we break it down and where do we really start? Here are a few things that I have identified. One of the first things that we can do is get the computer to calculate 5 into 5 or 5 into 6. The second thing that we can do is to try and print this entire thing. So I would want to print 5 into 5 is equal to the calculated value. So whatever value is calculated from here, I would want to use it and print it in here. So we would want to first calculate, then print, and what we want to do is not just print 5 into 5 is equal to 25, right? So we would want to print from 5 into 1 to 5 into 10. And to be able to do that, we would want to do something similar to this 10 times. Not exactly the same thing because we don't want to print 5 into 5 is equal to 25 10 times. We want to print the entire table with different values over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Let's start with that kind of a game plan and let's see where it takes us. I'll see you in the next step. We would focus on calculating 5 into 5.